today's video, we'll learn how to make these delicious Jain falafel. Trust me, this is the best no onion, no garlic falafel recipe on internet. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nirali and you're watching Simply Swadisht. So here I have half cup of dried chickpeas. I'm going to soak it for 8 to 10 hours. You can also soak it overnight. As you can see, it has doubled up in size and it's around 1 cup of soaked chickpeas. Now you don't have to cook it directly, transfer it into a blending jar and add half cup of shredded cabbage to it. This is a substitute for onion. Now add half cup of freshly chopped coriander along with the stems. Now add 2 slit green chilies, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds for that crunch. Add a teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. And now comes our star ingredient, that is half teaspoon of dried ginger powder. Trust me, it is a complete game changer in this recipe, so do give it a try. Cover it with a lid and grind it into a coarse paste. Make sure you don't add any extra water and don't blend it into a smooth paste. It has to be coarse like this. Let me show you. See this? It's quite coarse. Transfer it into a mixing bowl and add a pinch of baking soda to it. And now mix it well. Grease your palm with little bit of oil and then take a bite size of mixture. Roll it into small balls. Now you can be creative and make any other shape that you desire. Similarly, make it from rest of the mixture. Now at this point, heat up the oil that you require for frying on high flame. From 1 cup of chickpeas, you can make around 13 to 14 bite-sized balls like these. Now let's fry it. Add 5 to 6 balls at a time. And fry it on medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes or until it turns into beautiful golden brown color. If you enjoyed this video so far, then do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Now let's prepare a dip to have these falafel with. So here I am making a mint dip. For that, take half cup of curd, make sure it's not sour. To that, add half teaspoon of mint paste. I've already added salt and chaat masala into it and mix it well. And our dip is ready to be served. Enjoy it with your falafels. Serve your delicious Jain falafel with ketchup and mint dip. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share. I come up with new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel Simply Swadisht and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook.